what are the biggest leadership challenges that you're currently facing, and what are you doing to address them?
If we weren't in the pandemic, I'd have given you a completely different answer to that question. I'd have talked about, the importance of making good investment decisions in the third and fourth programs that we're going to put in the clinic, the importance of selecting yet another partner beyond Bristol and Merck and EMD Serono, because I do think it's important for us to have additional partnerships. And we are continuing to maintain dialogue even during the pandemic with a number of those companies. But to me, I think the biggest challenge right now is ensuring that our workforce continues to be as productive as they have been for the whole time that I've been privileged to lead Sutro Biopharma. We have probably 40% of our researchers able to come into our office today, and they don't come into the office or into the labs for the same amount of time that they would have. And so they are doing a lot of work virtually, if you will, from home. But the ability to actually be in the lab, to run the experiments, to get the results, to inform your next experiment is just not as robust as it has been. And so for me, what we try to think about is, and even as this pandemic seems to be growing again in the United States, how do we keep the business of the company moving forward so that we can continue to develop new therapies for cancer patients who are at the end of their therapeutic options? And how do we do that in a way that keeps our workers safe?